welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about the exercises of the past tense, simple past tense. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are new here, please take a moment to click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you may not miss any update of any of these interesting videos. And if you have missed out the explanation of the simple past tense, you can see using the link in the description box. So in all these sentences you have to put the second form of verb, that's the past tense form of verb. We dash these candles at a sale. We buy का second form होता है bought, BOUGHT, bought. The match dash at 12 noon. Begin का second form began, BEGAN. The audience dash a lot of money for the show. So second form of pay is paid, PAID, paid. So the audience paid. The moon dash behind the clouds. So the second form of hide is hid, HID, hid. So the moon hid behind the clouds. Mother dash the Christmas ornaments in the cupboard. The second form of the word keep is kept, KEPT, kept. The stranger dash only Chinese. Second form of the word speak is spoke, SPOKE, spoke. I dash the soup into the bowl. It is not bowl, it's bowl. Okay. So I poured, POURED, poured. Mimi dash bread to the ducks. So the second form of the word feed is fed, FED, fed. So Mimi fed bread to the ducks. So now in all these sentences you have to rewrite the sentences in its negative form. Okay. As I told you, a second form of verb takes the helping verb did plus not, and it does not take the second form of verb, it takes the first form of verb. He went for a holiday. So did not helping verb आएगा, he did not. Went की first form होती है go. He did not go for a holiday. She ate all the fruit. Ate का first form होता है eat. She did not eat all the fruits. You spoke very well. You did not. The first form of the word spoke is speak. You did not speak very well. The patient slept soundly. The patient did not sleep soundly. Radhika knew the correct answer. Radhika did not know the correct answers. Now in the exercise number C, you have to write the interrogative form. Okay, जैसे you have to start with did, of course. Anandini went to the market. So here also it will take the first form of verb and start with D plus subject. Okay, plus verb's first form. Did Anandini go to the market? Sumi corrected the spelling mistake. Did Sumi correct the spelling mistakes? Question mark. They lost their money. Did they lose their money? I lived in London for a year. Did I live in London for a year? Manu lent Anita his camera. Did Manu lend, LEND, lend Anita his camera? Question mark. They never spoke to each other. Did they never speak to each other? So now you have to make all these sentences and rewrite them into affirmative or positive form. Did you drink this water? And you have to write these positive sentences in the simple past tense. Okay. Did you drink this water? I drank this water. I drank this water. Did she hear a sound? She heard a sound. Did he wait for a postman? He waited for the postman. Did the students do their homework? The student did their homework. Did the cat drink all the milk? The cat drank all the milk. Now in this exercise you have to rewrite the sentence in the simple past tense. Manu has eaten the whole chocolate. So the present sentence is in the present perfect, to which you have to change into simple past tense. Manu ate the whole chocolate. I've been playing football for 2 hours. I played football for 2 hours. The children were going to the beach. So the children went to the beach. It was raining yesterday. It rained yesterday. The old man is walking slowly. The old man walked slowly. So now in this one you have to use the correct form, that's the negative, and the positive, and you have to complete using the verbs that's given in the bracket. I dashed to watch a Harry Potter film yesterday, but there was no electricity. I wanted to watch a Harry Potter film, but there was no electricity. John dashed the ice cream because he had fever. तो जॉन ने आइसक्रीम इसलिए नहीं खाई क्योंकि उसको फीवर था. So John did not eat you have to understand the call of the sentence and then you have to frame. So John did not eat the ice cream because he had fever. Rahul dash in the painting competition and come. So Rahul took part in the painting competition and came first. I dashed to catch the thief. I tried to catch the thief but he ran away. His smartphone was very good and it did not cost much. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, did not cost much. England dash the cricket match yesterday. England lost the cricket match yesterday. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.